In this section, we've utilized the request and response objects that allow us better handling of our endpoints. Requests consist of a lot more information than simply a URL and method type, and we've unlocked how we can access this data in our function. We've also spent some time understanding the meaning of different response status codes, practiced implemented them, and learnt why they matter. For our assignment, we're going to fix up the Save Passport endpoint, which will complete our work on endpoints. As we demonstrated before, the inputs are expected to arrive in the request's message body as a JSON object. The catch is that we now want to add new numeric parameters to our endpoint, passport expiry month and passport expiry year, which introduces multiple nestings. The curl statement that you'll need to run is provided to you in the assignment description. Make sure that the relevant status codes are also returned. If you get stuck, you can always look at the very similar structure we implemented in the flight booking endpoint, with the only difference being an extra level of nesting. Print statements may help too. Good luck, and I'll see you in a bit.